Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be going over here and we're going to be digging down with this. We're going to be digging as much as we can, okay? With Mechalai. And then make sure you go like and sub to the channel so you can have more content like this and that, because yeah, he does this every single day. And then yeah, this is the fan code, so if you want, so we're gonna be in this sometimes, so if you wanna see us potentially, just go ahead and join that code. Okay, right, you ready, Mikola?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Right, I'm gonna bring a cluster grenade. Right, I'll see you in there. Wait, Mikola, don't start digging yet though, because I wanna start. Right, are we ready? Don't stop, bros.
I haven't.
Right. We're gonna start around the edges, okay? This is the way we're gonna do it. We're gonna start around the edges. And then we're gonna...
Wouldn't it be better if we had two of these?
No, but you should have kept it. Alright, go back and get another one. And then we're gonna be trying to dig out the whole thing, yeah? Kill it then.
Oh yeah, you know how you can't hear the call-in videos?
No, you can. I've viewed our last video like 5 times. I could definitely hear your voice because you were screaming 6-7 at me.
Yeah, but that was on, oh, you're down here as well. I can't seem to get my last point.
Just buy it then.
No.
Bro, getting company coins these days are so easy.
For real.
No, but I think it's a bit too easy. Yeah, well, the maximum is 5. Are you sure about that? Oh no. Oh well. Tough luck, sunshine. Oh, Mikolai, by the way, I'm gonna do a part 2 on Bone Lab. You got anything to say? Okay. Yeah, but it's got a storyline. Also, mods that do that in Bone Lab. Bone Lab's basically the same thing, but better. What? Oh, you could trying to get them for yourself? We're older, bro.
Holy, how much? How would you do so much already?
You gotta stop getting down this way. What?
Holy shit, it is right here. No, it just like went, or it was like straight on there. It's right there! Craig! Craig! Watch out, it's right there, bro. Why are you digging? Oh! Oh, it's right there.
Yo, I found a glitch.
What?
So come down into this little hole, bro. So where are you? Come down. I found a glitch. Come down here.
I'm killing her.
Bro, you can get all the way down. Yeah, come here.
Oh yeah, because that's where it came from. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but you just go. Bro.
Yeah, no, I'm doing that. Very good story though.
It's a 12.
No, it's not.
Basically. Bro, come down here. Yeah, you need to mine them. Now Yeah. Right, I've got to the bomb. Wait, Nicola, come to our house. Yeah, but I've finished. Yeah, what is it? Oh, I found the massive landmine. I found the dead body. Bro, why does the monster have to be loud? Right, Nicola, come down to our house.
I'm down.
We'll clear this room out just in case there is actually
Ow.
a different
No, I don't think there is.
Ooh, maybe. There is. Put a shout out in the comments to whoever got this far. Keep going across until you can just
I think next game let's see if the deepest you can go.
go. Wait, Nick, like, shine your light over here. It's going down. Oh, it makes it up itself. Wait, I think maybe the monster is like the light is
Huh?
maybe the monster is like the light where we need to go. Wait, we're at a different type of surface.
Oh yeah, no, that's the wall that you can't mine past anymore. We hit the edge.
Well, okay, I think that's it pretty much. I'm gonna end the video, guys. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll do another Bone Lab one another time maybe, I don't know when though. And maybe later I'll do another video trying to explore some more stuff, okay? Goodbye for now.